Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, back again with me Rizzy on Muhammad Rizzy Guides Already channel. In this video I will give you a tutorial which is to create a search display on the application for food delivery. Okay, first we make the iPhone 11 Pro Max frame. Asal the frame is the same as the previous design, and we add an icon at the top. There are several icons, namely is network icon, the Wi-Fi icon, and the battery icon. We minimize the icon and we outline the top. Then we fit the icon in the middle of the top menu. Yes guys, then we add text. We add the clock menu in the upper left corner. Here I give an example of the horse 2210. Okay, after that we fit it with the icon on the right. If it's right, we will make the search section. Okay, we will make the search section. We will use rectangle, and for the size you can follow like me or just guess. Well, after that we give the radius. Try to make it semicircular, and after that we add an additional thickness. Don't forget to change the stroke. The color is a little more gray. Okay, after that we add the icon back and also a magnifying glass icon where it symbolizes the search icon. Yeah, we add a back and magnifying glass icon. Okay, add it to the frame. We fit it in the rectangle, not too big, and we change the color to follow the outline of the rectangle. Okay, that we made earlier. Yes, like that. Then we save for the back icon on the left. Then we select all. We select everything and we save it in the middle. Okay, after we've created the search icon, let's make the filter section below. Okay guys, and as well we use the same radius as the rectangle above, so that the end of the rectangle can be like a semicircle. Then we copy the color. You are free to use colors like I made, or maybe use other colors, and we give the text. Then we give the text. Okay, name of food menus or names of food in other region or countries, such as Indonesian food, burgers, pizza, and others. Okay, after that we copy. Don't forget to make the distance from the top bottom the same. Okay, now we're removing the fill for test 2 and we're adding the stroke, and the color copy resembles the colors that was in a previous one. Then we change the text to a burger, for example. Then we reduce the rectangle. Yes, after like that we copy the previous design again and we replace some of the text, namely pizza, spaghetti, and other. Well, copy again. Okay, we change the text again, then we reduce the rectangle and place the text in the middle of the rectangle. Okay, if the top is done, we will create for the bottom. Okay, finally I will create for the bottom. We copy down Remember, the size must be consistent, the distance must be consistent. Okay, between top and bottom, right and left too. We change the text again, replace it with another menu like spaghetti, then we lengthen the rectangle if the text exceeds the rectangle. After that, we copy again with the appropriate distance as above, and then we change the menu again or we change the text again. Yes, here I add sushi, Japanese food. Then we copy again with the same distance again. We change the menu text to donuts, yes, like that. Then we copy again. Here I'm going to make this filter 3 lines because yes, it is not too many filters, also around 2 or 3 lines. Yeah, okay. After that, we will extend it again according to the text. We keep this in the middle, okay. Then we might create 2 more menus. Don't forget to equate for the distance. We change the menu to. We change. So what's the menu? We change. So what's the menu? Oh yeah, meatball maybe. Well, change the menu to meatballs or bakso in Indonesia language. If that's possible, that's the filter. Okay, we now add the logo in center. We now add the logo in the center of the view. We put it in the middle and we lower its opacity to 40%. Okay, after that we add the icon or menu below. We first make the rectangle in bottom. Yes, we add a line to equalize the distance, or okay, we reduce it. Then we give the radius on the top. Wait, then equalize the distance, or okay, we reduce it. Yes, we remove the line. Then we give the radius on the top left, maybe 20, or yeah, 20. And left, and also the top right as much, 20, same, and the right side too. Yes, after that we change the color to white and we add thickness. For the color we change a little grays. Grab some icons. Okay, after that grab some icon. Here I have provided the icon. Let's put it in the middle and make it place inside the rectangle. Then put in the middle and make it reflect inside the rectangle. Then we adjust and we change to the magnifying glass icon. We shall change the color to orange and adjust. Okay, nice, finish. uh, Okay, maybe we should adjust some objects first to make it look more symmetrical and fit. Okay, we are the adjustment the filter, or all. We delete the line. Okay, maybe that's enough video tutorial from me. If you have any suggestion, Please put them in the comment column and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.